Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C320WS local recording. So the camera is recording on an SD card, right? You can record on the cloud or you can also record on the SD card. Here you see that the camera is working. I have working on an Echo Show so I can display live image, and here I can also display the image on my cell phone, and I can just check the playback and download. You see here, when I click it, I can just see the recordings by motion detection. So it records by motion, vehicle detection as well, and even here I have continuous recording. Okay, I can just insert the SD card and set up to record that way. When I come here to the settings, you see that I have the SD card, so storage and recording. You see here the local storage. When I insert the card there, I can just come here, check if the card is good, and I can also format the micro SD card and enable looping recording, which is going to record and kill the old recordings and record the new ones, right? And back here, I just need to come to detection and enable motion detection, person detection, and vehicle detection if I want to. Let me just enable here vehicle detection, then it can record the vehicle there as well. Super simple. And you can here also in recording change the recording schedule. See here that I have recordings by motion and also by continuous recording. So I can just select what I want and record that way. I just need to edit here and paint the way I want to record, or even don't record, depending on the way you want your camera work, right? And here you can also record sound. So video and sound recording pretty good, right? So super simple. And when you come back here, you can also use the 30-day trial to record onto the cloud. And after this, you just need to pay a monthly fee to keep recording on the cloud. But it's not mandatory. You can just record on the SD card if you want to. And later you can select here the videos from the card or the videos from the cloud. I don't have anything recorded to the cloud, but I can record locally here in my SD card, right? Let me just show the SD card here in the camera. Let me just turn it off. There we go. You see that's frozen here because I just turned the camera off. And the SD card is just right here. Let me just bring the camera so I can open it. There we go. Here you see that I have the screws that I can just remove and insert an SD card. I'll leave the an SD card here in the description, a link to the SD card, right? One that I trust, and I can just insert it here. You see that I have mine just right here, okay? So just need to remove, there we go, and can insert back. Then just close it, and you're ready to use, right? There's also a reset button here close to the location where you have your SD card, so it works pretty fine. Let me just close this again. There we go. Just put back there, and I can turn the camera on again, and it starts working, okay? So super simple. Basically, that's the Tapo C320WS, and you can just insert a micro SD card and record locally. You can also use the Tapo Hub, so the camera can record via the network still locally on your network, as long as you have the Tapo Hub with an SD card there, or you can record to the cloud, right? So those are the options to record with your Tapo camera. I'll leave the link here to the card so you can just install your camera and start recording. I hope that helps. Leave your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.